Your old annuities trash. I know you've heard that. I'm Paul Morrow. This is Smart Financial. Old annuities are junk. In most cases, they have very low payout rates, very high fees. And again, folks, don't blame your financial advisor. Don't blame your investment advisor. Don't blame the insurance companies. The products have changed. The products that look good 10 or 15 years ago are really junk compared to what's available today. So let's not be crazy. Don't stick with something just because it's inertia. Get a hold of somebody like Legacy Insurance Brokers, which is a great brokerage firm that can help you exchange your annuity from an old annuity to a new annuity, cut your fees in half, give you better payouts, and in many, many cases, go to a stronger company. There's a very, very large company in America right now. I can't mention them. They'll probably sue me. It started as one of the big 5 insurance companies. It's recently gone on the watch list for being really weak and being taken over by private equity. These are the kind of things that should make people nervous if an insurance company is holding your money and then they get weak. So your old annuity company might be trashed because they don't pay you a lot, maybe because they have high fees, and maybe because they're getting financially weak. These are the 3 big reasons I want you to download our free annuity replacement guide. Why you should replace your old annuity. Number 1, weak financials. Number 2, high fees. Number 3, low payouts. If you're over 50 or 59 and a half years old, annuities fit into your financial allocation as part of your fixed income. So follow along with us, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends, especially those who are over 50 that are mostly annuity clients. Annuities aren't appropriate for young people. Reach out to us online if you have questions, if you have a contract you think should be replaced, and whether it will hurt you to replace it, right? We'll find the right way to help you fix it or refer you to the people who can. Staying in touch of improving your old products, that's just part of the art of being smart.